Yo guys, the best way to be waking up here with balloons, presents, cake pops, and my girl.
And me.
And Eric.
Hey,
What the heck?
Yeah.
What's that? Eric, it's 8 in the morning.
I got you, bro.
Alright.
Oh, it burns!
Yes, Eric, another one. It was just water, guys, don't worry. I'm taking a shot at 8 a.m. What?
What are we doing?
Uh-oh.
So
Take it, Eric, take it.
Eric! Excuse me?
Whoa.
It's not your birthday. Hello, you're not 21.
Yes, he is, Mom. You can take one for my birthday.
No.
It's water, Mom.
Happy birthday, my son.
What?
How does it feel
Thank
to be
you.
21?
That was amazing.
Oh, goodness. You hungover from last night?
No. Are you?
No.
Look at this, guys. Amazing way to wake up to my birthday.
Oh, cool.
I know.
Nice.
I wonder what all this
to have
stuff is.
breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast! We'll have breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast! So what's up, guys? So today's another birthday celebration for Edwin, and today we're gonna be going to LA, downtown area. We're gonna be having dinner, and then there's a little surprise I set up for him. So the surprise is we're gonna go on a helicopter ride showing all of LA for like a good hour, and hopefully he loves it. I honestly, personally hate helicopters and airplanes. I'm not a fan of it. Anything flying, I'm scared of the heights. But for him, I'll do it. And after, we'll probably go out. So he will be blindfolded because it's the point of the surprise, like 5 minutes out. And then I'll try to get the reaction that he has. So anyways, excuse me also, I'm sick and it's a little hard to speak. But other than that, hopefully we'll have a good time today. And we'll bring you guys along. And I'm sorry it's not about reptiles tonight.
Happy birthday, Edwin. 21, finally. You are a great young man, very respectful. If you and Samantha were to ever break up, I'd probably keep you and get rid of Sam.
Alright, guys, so now we're gonna go eat at where? Maggiano's? Maggiano's. Can't pronounce it. But then after that, she has a surprise for me. She can't tell me. Like, I'm like dying to know what it is. All I know is that it's in LA somewhere, so one clue.
No.
Yeah, because every time she gives me a clue, I always find out. Alright guys, welcome to LA, where it takes 30 minutes to travel 5 miles. Alright guys, we're now on our way to our destination, or the secret destination. She just tricked me right now. She's like, guess what it is? And then she like kind of gave me a hint of like doing this stuff on my ear and my shoulders. And I thought it was monkeys. And then she's like, yeah, we're gonna go pet monkeys and like hang out with monkeys all day. I like got all excited and stuff, and then she's like, no, I'm just kidding, it's something else. But we'll see, guys. I'm like wondering. She's like, I'm kind of nervous to see what it is. Or like, you said you're nervous. What do you say? Nervous to touch it or nervous to what?
Do it.
To do it?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. She says that makes me kind of nervous. As long as it's not like bungee jumping or skydiving, anything with heights, I'm good. Why do you make that face? Sam. Gosh.
So are you excited for your surprise?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
No idea.
Are you guessing what it is?
It's monkeys, but it's not monkeys.
No, it's not monkeys. What do you think it is? One guess.
Horseback riding.
Yeah, right. And no shoes.
I know. I don't know. Alright guys, she's made me have this blindfold for like the past 10 minutes. Actually, can I take it off now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know where we're at.
We're going helicopter riding.
No way. Where's the helicopter?
Behind this big building.
Really?
Yes.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
I seriously can't see anything because that thing was so tight. Like my vision is like blurry right now. But are we really?
Yeah, we are, Papa.
We're going to a helicopter?
Yes.
What the heck?
Ready?
Is it like a tour?
Yeah.
Dang. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright guys, we're back home now, and that was seriously the best birthday I've ever had. Like, it was so much fun, thanks to my girlfriend and all my family and friends that were with me. And I also did some stuff behind the scenes, like went out with friends, had a family party. But the highlight for my birthday would definitely have to be the helicopter ride. Like, it was so much fun flying over LA, looking at the buildings at that distance, and flying over Universal Studios near the Hollywood sign. And special thanks to my girlfriend Sam. Like, you are the best, Sam. Like, that was unbelievable. I really had a really good time throughout the whole birthday weekend. I have the best girlfriend ever, guys. And also let me know if you guys enjoyed the video or if you just want to stick to reptiles. I do want to start incorporating more vlogs into my YouTube channel, just so that I can have a variety of videos, not just reptiles. I had a really good time this weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure you guys do that right now. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, guys, so go do it right now. Let's reach 10,000 like within the next week. We can do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time guys, peace.